In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix or resolve printer problems or printers not working properly on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I would ensure is that there is paper in the printer, that there's ink in the printer, and that the printer is turned on, and that's connected to your Wi-Fi network, or if it's physically plugged into your printer or physically plugged into your computer. Make sure that everything's properly hooked up. And then you can open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and select that. And then select additional troubleshooters on the right panel. Underneath get up and running, select printer, and then run the troubleshooter for the printer application here. Just give us a moment. And I recommend following along with any of the on-screen prompts, and then hopefully that should be able to fix the issue. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.